How to use task management apps on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I show you how to use task management apps on Windows, focusing on Microsoft To Do. Task management apps are great for staying organized and productive. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Microsoft Store and search for Microsoft To Do and click Install. Once installed, open the app from the Start menu. Sign into your Microsoft account to sync your tasks across devices. Click on Add a Task in the main window. Type your task and press Enter. You can also set due dates and reminders by clicking the calendar and bell icons. Click on New List on the sidebar to organize tasks by category. Name your list and press Enter. Select the list you created and click Add a Task. Enter your tasks as needed. Then check the box next to a task to mark it as completed. It will move to the completed section. Click on a task to open its details and click Repeat to choose how often you want this task to occur. Click on My Day in the sidebar. Add tasks to your daily agenda to focus on what needs to be done today. Ensure you're signed in the same Microsoft account on all your devices to keep your tasks synced across all devices. And that's it. Now you know how to use task management apps like Microsoft To Do on Windows to stay organized and productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.